don't care about the others.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. My name is Veronica and I am a mama to a 10-month-old baby girl, and I have an awesome bonus son named Blake. We live in Las Vegas and I spend most of my free time cleaning and decorating my home. So if you like any of that kind of content, like DIYs, cooking, or cleaning, even decorating ideas, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today's video is part 3 in my clean and decorate with me for fall. Today we are going to be decorating my master bedroom as well as my daughter's room to make sure we just have some of those cozy fall feels throughout our home. So let's get started.
I don't know what I'd do without you.
So today we're starting off by making my bed. I just have some fresh sheets to throw on before we get started with decorating.
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
Because over the past few years I have collected so many different pieces for my fall decor, I decided I wanted to go ahead and decorate our bedroom. For this space, I really wanted to bring in the cozy feel, so I have a lot of pumpkins that are made of cloth materials so that they're nice and cozy. Next, I'm going to go ahead and clear off both of our side tables and give them a very good wipe down with some Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scented spray. I just love the smell of this. It brings that fall vibe instantaneously and it just smells so good.
Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me, everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me, I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me, everything feels like.
For some reason, my side table is always out of control. I literally will clean this thing off every week, and within days it is covered with things from all over the house. So I really need to work on it not being a catch-all space.
Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah.
One piece that I have been dying to actually style is this adorable galvanized metal lantern, and I've had it for a while. I picked it up at Target a couple years ago and I've never actually used it for any purpose. So here I am just filling it with some pumpkins and gourds, and I just think that it turned out so beautifully.
Even in my wildest dreams. even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to
Another place I think needs a nice refresh is our dresser and TV stand here. We've had the same thing on it for quite a while now, so I really want to find some other way of displaying some things. So I am looking at Pinterest for some inspiration, but for now we are just going to stick to some minimal fall decor.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many
For fall, I am all about the neutral colored pumpkins, and I just love the different textures that are available now. So I love this little felt pumpkin that I picked up in the Target dollar spot, as well as this adorable knitted pumpkin, which I also picked up at Target just last year, and this adorable, I want to call it Sherpa pumpkin with the gold stem is just adorable, and I think it was the perfect addition to a cozy, warm fall bedroom.
Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away, I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay, we can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow, all we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, ooh,
I also wanted to give a few fall touches to our master bathroom, so here I am just quickly clearing off our extremely messy counter and wiping it down real well before I add some pumpkins to our counter.
Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you. Say you think about me, because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reasons. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time
To me, it is amazing how much warmth a couple little orange pumpkins can bring to a tiny little space. Some people may think I am crazy, but I am all about making sure my daughter's room is decorated for the different holidays and different seasons as well. So for today, I'm just quickly clearing off her stand here. I made a mess with some gripe water that I need to get soaked up. And then I'm going to do a couple pieces of decor in here as well.
Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting.
Because she is so little and probably doesn't care one way or another, I do keep it very simple. So in here, I'm just going to add a couple different pumpkins, and I kept them in the same tones as her room just so that everything flowed well.
Here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie.
I'm just so happy with how the fall decor is looking around my home, and I'm just loving the cozy feel I have when I sit on my couch. It just makes me feel so good knowing that fall is just around the corner. I am really looking forward to some of those fall activities. I need to come up with a really good list for baby girl's very first fall. Please let me know down below anything that you would do with a 1-year-old during the fall season. I am so excited to share my favorite season in the world with her. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me down below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me if you liked it, so I know to make more in the future. I hope you all have a blessed rest of your day. Bye!
My head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.